Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about how to create and use vCommission affiliate account. So let me take you to the website, which is vCommission.com. What do you want to know about them? vCommission is a leading affiliate marketing network and allows you to earn commission by promoting products and services that you truly believe in. So you can come to their website, explore all about themselves, and get yourself an affiliate account of vCommission. Is it free? Of course it is. Now, how to create an account with them? You simply have to click on affiliate sign up from here, which will take you to the registration form. Now, you have to fill all the details in here and ensure it's accurate because in affiliate marketing, integrity is required. However, all the information that I'm going to mention here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose. But in your case, ensure all the details here are accurate to the best of your knowledge. So let's select the account or entity type. Here, let's say if you are representing a company, in that case, you can select any of these second, third, and fourth option. If you go with limited company, you can mention the name of your company, the company that you're representing. But if you are not representing a company, then don't go with any of these options, but rather click on individual. Then comes the first name and last name. So I'm going to write here John and the last name LNU. In your case, you can write your first name and last name, the email address. So enter the email address that you have access to because you will need this to log into your account, and you will also receive all the communication on this email account. Then comes the password. So you can decide the password and type in it here. The requirement is minimum 8 characters, including one number, one symbol, and one uppercase character. Confirm the password, write the same password in here. Then comes the country. So here you have to choose the country of your residence. I'm just gonna choose here India, and then region and state. So depending on your country, you have to select your state or province in here. I'm gonna go with mine, which is Maharashtra. In your case, you can select yours, the city of residence as well. I'll enter mine, the zip code. So again, depending on your country, you might have a zip code or pin code. Just enter it here accordingly. Then comes your address. So you can give your complete address in here, the street address. I'm gonna write here, and the locality as well. Okay, then we got the phone number. So this is optional. You can keep it as it is, but this is not. So you have to give your mobile number. Ensure you give the accurate number. So in case if they want to reach out to you, they can to inquire about the details you have given and about your affiliate marketing practices and journey and all those things. So when you enter your phone number here, it will send a verification code on that number. You can take the code from there, enter it here, and it will verify that the number belongs to you. Then comes the IM type. So you can select the instant messaging type here. So let's say if you got a WhatsApp account, Telegram account, Skype, or Slack, you can select any of these options and give the username accordingly. Now, what if you don't have, but it's required field, so you should have account with any of these things. If not, then you might want to quickly create it. Then comes your preferred mode of contact. How would you prefer to be contacted by them? By email, phone, or instant messaging? So you can choose multiple or just one from here. Then comes the primary promotion method. So where do you plan to promote the brands available in vCommission? You have to choose the details here accordingly. So when you're creating an account, affiliate account with vCommission, you must have some sort of online presence. It could be a website, blog, social media page where you plan to promote different brands. So you have to choose the details here accordingly. This is your primary promotion method. So do you have media buying for that specific promotion method or online presence? If yes, then what kind of media buying do you have? Search, social, native, or display? Let's say if you're involved in display marketing for that online presence, just select display in here and go with these display sections selection here as well. So in text, in app, pop, push, banner, or video. What kind of display media buying you have? So select from here. But if you're not selecting display here, and if you're not involved in any of these, then don't select anything. Just keep it as it is. Just keep it as it is. You can probably do social, or if you're involved in social media buying, but otherwise don't click on anything. Then comes the database. What sort of database you have? Do you have email addresses of your user where you will be sending newsletters to your user so that these users can do the conversion? If yes, then what kind of database you have? Email address of the user, numbers for the users, telegrams users, or on WhatsApp. So basically whatever you use for affiliate marketing communication, you can select these. Then comes the website. Do you have, as your online presence, do you have a website? If yes, what kind of website you got? Is it content website, coupon website, cashback website, or mobile app? If you have none of these type, what if you have a website which doesn't belong to any of these categories? Then you might want to select the content as the type. But what if you don't have a website, you rather just have a social media account? In that case, you become an influencer, so you should select this option, influencer option. And you might have a software, so if that's the case, choose this option. And or you might have a network of publishers. If that's the case, go with sub-network option, or you might be resellers, so go with that option. So whatever your online presence is, or the way of reaching out to the users out there, you could select it either from website, partners, or from both. So let's say I got a website, a content website. So I'm gonna select content website. And then we got the content website URL. So whatever you select from these options, it will ask you for the URL. So I'm going to enter my dummy URL that I got here, and it will also ask for MEU. So that is monthly active users. So I can say I got like over 5,000 plus monthly active users. So you can select that as well. Now, this is the primary promotion method. Let's say you got a website where you plan to promote different brands of vCommission, but you also want to promote those brands on your social media account, let's say a Facebook account. So in that case, all the details would be same here. Just go with partners as an influencer, and here you can describe about your company, traffic, website sources, and it could be multiple as well. Let's say I got a website, but I also have social media account on Facebook, Instagram, and all that. So I can mention about my social media accounts in here. I can say, along with my website, I plan to promote brands on the following social media accounts of mine, and I can mention all these URLs. So same way you could do that as well. Basically give them the detail as much as you can, because it will help you in getting the approval from vCommission for the affiliate account that you're requesting for. Then you can tick mark subscribe email updates from vCommission. Click on affiliate agreement, read it, and click on I have read, understood, and agreed to the affiliate agreement. Then pass the captcha here. So whatever comes here, just put the result and click on submit. So when you will click on the submit button, your application to vCommission affiliate marketing team would go. They will see whether you're good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will give you the approval. It could take anywhere between 2 to 4 business days, so you can wait for them to give the approval. And how would you know that you have been approved? You will get an email from them. Once you've received the email about successful approval, you can come to the website again and you can click on login, which will take you to login screen. You can enter the email and password combination, click on login, and it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with the affiliate programs of different brands out there, apply to them, get the approval, and start promoting them to earn commission. So let's talk more about the affiliate dashboard of vCommission. So on the homepage, you will see your performance report. You have an option to click here and select the date ranges. Then if you scroll down, you will see the clicks information according to the date range you have selected here. The conversion. So conversion is basically, let's say you got your tracking link, you give it to user clicked on the link and either bought the product, made a sale, or rather just fill the lead for the brands. So you will see that as conversion in here. So any action that's taken by the user, it could be sell, it could be lead generation, that is known as conversion, and you will see them in here. Then comes the future campaigns. If there will be any future campaigns, you will see them listed here. The recommended campaigns, you'll see them here, and you would have an option to apply to them. And you will see your hourly data in here, which would have clicks, conversion rate, earning per conversion, and the payout. Then if you look at the top right hand side, you got this flag icon. If you click on the flag icon, you'll see different languages the dashboard is available in. Let's see, for some reason, I want to see my dashboard in French. I click on French and the language will get updated to French, and all the things I will see here will be in French. You see here, but unfortunately, I don't know how to read French, so I'm going to go back to English. So this way you can update your dashboard language to the one that you prefer from the available listed languages in here. Then we got this file icon. So you can click on this bell icon and you will see all the notification that is available for you. If there will be any notification, you should be able to see a dot in here, which will be a representation of unread notifications. Then you got this magnifier glass. Just click here and you would be able to search for different brands out there. For example, I want to search for Adidas. Adidas is, I'm sure, is a brand that's available with vCommission. I click on search and I can see there are 3 campaigns of Adidas. Campaigns means affiliate programs of Adidas, one for Australia traffic, another for India traffic, and the another for Thailand traffic. So let's say I'm interested for the affiliate program for the Australia traffic. I can click on this one and it will take me to something called campaign page. Now we will talk about these campaign pages shortly, but for now, let's talk about something else, and that is your profile, because you have an account, but in order for you to start promoting brands, you must apply to them and they must give you the approval. But for that, you have to ensure your information is up to date. And that's why you should click on your avatar icon. You click on profile and it will take you to a page where you can update your details. So you can click on the edit on the left hand side, and you can update your company name, email address, password, and all these details. About your payment method, you can click on payment method on the top right hand side, click on edit, and if you want to get the payment via PayPal, just enter your PayPal email address in here. If you want to get the payment via bank, direct deposit, you can click on bank and enter your banking details in here, followed by click on save button. Then there are other things as well that you must update. So let's go to the profile section once again, and it will be the custom field. So you can click on edit and review all the information that's available here and update any information that you see, which would be good. And I recommend you to update all the details in here, which says NA. So here we got primary method geo, it says NA, but if your traffic is worldwide, mention worldwide in here. So more information here will help you more to get the approval from the branch that you will be applying to on the vCommission network. Let's go to the profile page once again. And then we got the partner referral link. Let's say if you want to earn commission by bringing more affiliates to vCommission, in that case, you can take a referral link from here, share it with different affiliates, and when these affiliates will create an account with vCommission, you could end up getting commission. Now, I'm unsure how much commission you could earn this way. I tried exploring, but I couldn't find the answer on any of the hubs that are available for vCommission. But I'm sure there must be some commission out of it if you bring affiliates to vCommission. So that's with the profile. You've updated the profile. Now what? Now you should explore the campaigns or rather affiliate programs available for different brands. For that, you come to the menu bar on the left hand side and hover over this announcement icon, which will be a campaigns icon. Over here, you can click on all offers, and this is a place where you would be able to see all the different offers. You may call it offers, campaigns, affiliate programs available. You see here, you will see the campaign ID, the preview, the logo of the brand here, the title, which will have the name of the brand, type of affiliate program, is it CPS, so that is cost per sale, and the geo as well. And then if you look at the objective here, so it will be the same information which you usually see here. So this is like what kind of affiliate program they provide. Is it CPS, cost per sale, CPA, cost per action, or CPC, cost per click? Then the geo. So geo stands for these brands would only give you commission if you bring the sales or the action from the traffic mentioned in here. So this one say IN, which stands for India. That means you will only get commission from watch station India if you bring sales to them from Indian region. Same way you see here all, that means regardless, just bring them sell from anywhere around the globe, you'll still get the commission. And then comes the status. So that different kind of statuses here. Need approval means you have to take approval. Payout here will be the commission rate, and for some region you won't see the payout in here. You might be able to see more details when you get on the campaign page. And then the categories. Now there are many campaigns. You would have to go through with a huge number of lists, over 400 campaigns, to see which one is best suited for you. So why not use the filter option? So you can click on this filter icon, And over here, if you are aware of some brand that will be part of vCommission, just enter here in title section and click on search. You will be able to see them. But what if you are from United States and you only want those brands who allow you to earn commission if you bring traffic to them from United States? So in that case, in country, you can type in United States. It's basically your country, the country of your traffic. And so I write here United States, I can search. So I would be able to see all the brands that would allow me to earn commission if I bring traffic to them from United States. So you see, these are all the brands. So this way I can search. Apart from it, I can also promote those brands which provide commission worldwide. Basically, doesn't matter. Any traffic from any country will get you commission so long as you bring conversions to the brands. Then let's say you want to search by objective, like you want to see the brands who gives you the commission on clicks. Search by CPC, impression, installs, that is application installs. So you can search for brands depending on the objective as well. Then allow traffic channel. Let's say you are a publisher having a coupon website, so you want to see all the brands that are fine working with the coupon website publisher. In that case, select coupon, search, and you will be able to see all those brands in here. Then comes the category. You can use category too. And then comes the status. Now this is great because it will help you to see something. But before we use this functionality, let's click on the campaign title of one of these brands to see what we find. So let's talk about Shein here. So Shein is available worldwide. So I click here and it will take me to something called campaign page for Shein. And on the right hand side, I will see the details, like I'll see the ID, the title, and objective. That means they will give commission on the sale amount. Then what is the category? What kind of publishers are they okay to be affiliated with? And then preview URL and view. If I click on view, I'll get more details. You see here, tracking information, promotion methods. So these are whatever is allowed and whatever is not allowed. And for the commission rate, below users type that of 3rd August 2024. So if you bring new users to them, you could get 10% over 10% commission, and for the existing user you will get over 0.7% commission. And these are the detailed KPIs, so you should read this for better understanding. So this is how you can see the details. Now if you look at the right hand side, you'll see the performance report, and over here you will see this option, request campaign access. So what is your traffic source? You have to write here. This is you getting the approval from the brand here, Shein. So let's say I'm just going to write here dummy text. You have to write your traffic source. This way you can tell them about how you plan to promote them and all that. What is your estimated volume per day? You can write about it. And then the next question, have you run this campaign from anywhere? It could be you might be part of Shein affiliate program from some other affiliate network. If that's the case, then you should write in here as well. Once you have added these details, you simply click on send request, and it will send your request. You see, permission has been requested. So the affiliate program team of Shein will look into it, will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will give you the approval. Until then, you will see the status as request approval pending. So this is how it will look like for the brand that you have applied and you are waiting for the approval. So here you see for all these brands, you have to request the approval like this. I showed you, you have to get to the affiliate program page, or rather the campaign page. Over there, enter the details and click on apply. But what if you want to see those programs, those campaigns which are already active for you? You don't have to necessarily apply to them. In that case, click on the filter icon once again, and over here select the status as active. You see that different statuses. Approval pending means we will see the Shein one because we applied and we haven't received the approval yet. Denied means the one that we requested but they denied after checking our details. When in the active means which are already active, we don't have to apply, and we don't have to wait for the approval. So just select active and click on search. You would be able to see those campaigns. So you see here, these are all the campaigns, or rather affiliate programs, which are open for us. We don't have to apply to them. And let's say I click on one of them, which is, let me try to find the one which is available worldwide. Okay, so we have most of these for the India traffic. Then we got Thailand and Indonesia. Okay, we got pure VPN utility CPA. Let's go with this one. So I click on the title, the campaign title, which will take me to the campaign page of pure VPN. Again, the format would be same. Here I'll see the details on the left hand side, which will include the ID, the title, the status, the commission type, which is on sale, the commission amount on sale. Then devices, they are fine with all the devices. These are the category, and they are fine with publishers involved in these things. Then if you click on description, you will see more details. Okay, this is the commission rate. So though we weren't able to see commission rate on the listed affiliate program section, but we can still see here. So if you bring sales to them from new customers, you could get 85% of the sale amount. That's amazing. Then you will also get recurring 29.75% of the sale amount if the same user end up buying the package all the time. And for the first year, for new, it's $21. And for the second year, new, it will be $38.25. So that's great. Like this way, you can see all the details about this brand. Then if you look at the right-hand side, you will see the performance report. And if you scroll down, this is here, you will see the tracking link. So in the previous campaign page, the Sheen campaign page, we had 3 questions here that we mentioned the answer of, and we clicked on apply button. Wherein in this one, we don't have to apply because it's already active. That means we can directly start promoting them. So this way you can find the active affiliate programs about the campaign. You can come to their campaign page and you can get your tracking link. So for the tracking link, you can take directly this link if you want, but you can also add tracking parameters to it. Now this is a bit technical for the ones who already know about it. That's good. If you don't know, it's okay. So for the one who know about it, you can probably add different tracking parameter here, but again, this is not required. It's only for the one who use tracking parameters. So add tracking parameters in here, up to 4 tracking parameters. Otherwise, you're free to use just this tracking link. Then I think this one is very important. This will be super helpful to you, especially for those publishers who are involved in different, either who are involved in different traffic channels, or who has different sub publishers. So let me show you. For example, we can use it in 2 instances. Let's say you got a website, and as well as you got a Facebook account where you'll be promoting the brand here, which is Pure VPN. So you can click on add source, and over here you can type in website and click on update. Observe your URL. It got updated with this parameter added. So but that means you can copy this URL and promote it on your website. And same way, you can click here, Facebook, and type in Facebook here and click on update. And you see got updated to Facebook. Now take this URL and promote it to, or promote it on Facebook. This way, when anyone would click on your tracking link on Facebook versus on website, the report will be generated accordingly, and you will know what kind of performance is coming from which channel. The other usage that we talked about had to do with sub publishers. Let's say you have a network of publishers who would be doing affiliate marketing for you. You won't be doing it, but you have 100 publishers. How would you know the performance is coming from which publishers of yours? In that case, you can just type in here source, like something like SP1. This stands for sub publisher 1, and you can update it. You observe it got updated to SP1. Give this link to sub publisher number 1, and same way you update it to SP2, which stands for sub publishers 2, and you give this link to sub publisher 2. So this way you would be able to track performance by different sub publisher type. Then we got the impression pixel. Now, what is impression pixel? What if you want to see how many times the links have been viewed, not clicked? So in that case, you can take this impression HTML link code and add it at the back end of your website, wherever you are putting this tracking link. So this way, the number of time your page would load, it will generate the impression and will help you to see your performance on your report. Then we got change tracking domain. Unfortunately, there isn't any. So just let's go with this one. You don't have to make any change in here. Then comes generate short link. This is great. Click here and it will short your link. So that's good. You can use this feature. Then if you scroll down, you will see all the different banners available for that specific brand. So we are on the campaign page of Pure VPN. I'll see all the different banners available here. I have an option to download all. Otherwise, let's say I want this banner. So I can click on banner code. I can take the HTML link code for this banner at the back end of my website. I can add it. So this banner would appear on my website wherever I add this banner code. Then I can click on preview, and this is how it would look like when integrated on my website. Don't worry about the surrounding area. It's just for the view. But when you as a web developer would set this banner, it would only look the actual banner, not the black background. Then we got the download option. What if you don't want to get the banner link code? You don't want to preview, but you want to download just the image of it. You click on download and download the image, integrate it the way you like. Then we have all this information available. So you can get to the campaign page for different brands like this, see the details, see the requirement, the affiliate program requirement, the commission rate, get the tracking link and start promoting them. Then we got approve offers. So you click here, and here you will get to see all the brands that you have applied to and have gotten the approval. You can click on change filters and update the filters as well. Then we got need permission. So these are the brands where you have to apply. What's the difference between need permission and all offers? Honestly, there are no difference. It's just the difference of status. So in need permission section, you will see all the brands that you cannot promote unless you apply to them, get the approval. Then comes the feature offers. So these would be the featured affiliate program. If there would be any, you will see them listed in here. You can again apply to them, get the approval, start promoting them. Then comes the coupon codes. So here you will see the coupon codes of all your approved and active brands. So here we got Capива.in, and this is a coupon code. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see other brands too. This is worldwide DHgate. So you see, this is the code for DHgate. So what I can do, I can give this code to my users, and this will allow them to get 60% off an order over $1,599. Valid for all buyers. So I can give this code to them, but this will not help me to uncommission. For me to uncommission, I have to go to the campaign page of DHgate. I have to create tracking link, or I have to get tracking link from there, and I have to share this tracking link, whatever tracking link would come here. I have to take this tracking link and I have to give it to my user along with the coupon code, because coupon code will not allow me to uncommission. What allow me to uncommission is my tracking link. So as a affiliate, while sharing the coupon code, you should also share the tracking link, the respective tracking link for that different brand. So this way you can find different coupon code for different brands and you can promote. You can also search here. You can use filter. You can search by code, campaign, or the type of coupon code that's available. And then we got another section here, and that is the deals. So if there are any promotion going on, you click on deals and you will see all the active promotions for your active brands or approved brand. You can see the description in here. This is description, and you can promote the brand using this description, but ensure you should be using your tracking link. Maybe you can just write that, write the name of the brand, the description, and tell the people to avail this promotion. Click on this link and you integrate your tracking link on that button, something like this. Okay, so this is what campaigns is all about. So you found a brand, you start promoting them, and you start bringing sales or leads to them and start earning commission. Where would you see all those details? So you have to come to this icon, the graph icon, and you have to click on performance report. So here you would be able to run the report by campaign type. You would be able to see clicks, conversion, payout, conversion rate, pending conversions, extended conversion, pending payout, and sell amount. You have an option to save this report. You can export it in any of these formats. You can even use date range to run it. Same way, you got child affiliate reports. Now, I'm unsure of what child affiliate report is. I tried exploring, but I couldn't find anything on it. So if you see some data in here down the line, maybe use the report. And if you learn something about child affiliate report, to let us know in the comment section. It could be good for affiliates like you and me. Then we got daily reports. So this will let you see the performance by day, by each day. Again, the same features here. You can save or email reports yourself, change date range, export it in any of these formats. Then we got sub ID report. So you remember we were talking about the sub ID in the tracking link where I showed you how you can add website, Facebook, all different sources. So this is a place where you would be able to see the performance by different sources or by different sub publishers based on what you have given in the sub ID value while taking the links. Then we got geo-wise report. This will be helpful to see your traffic, your conversion, your commission by geo. So you would know which geo you should be focusing more on. Then comes the conversion report. This will let you see all the conversion happens. Again, conversion could be a sell, could be a lead, basically any action that could lead you to earn commission. So that's conversion. This will let you see the conversion. With all these details available, you can export it to CSV too. Then comes the click log. Now, if you want to see all the clicks that's being generated, you can click on click log and you would be able to see your clicks in here with all the details available. The IP address here would not be the actual IP address. It's the encrypted IP address, but you would be see all these details in here. Then comes the report missing conversion. So what it is, the feature allows you to upload untracked missing conversion into your account, which will be considered for validation at the end of the month. So we talk about affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, how do affiliate networks know about the sales you brought to the brand, is through tracking. Now sometimes it may not work, it doesn't happen all the time, but it is possible. If there is ever a case when the tracking didn't occur, and if you're sure a transaction happened through your efforts, you can come to this section, you can submit the transaction details, and you can wait for the vCommission team to review the details by the end of the month and take appropriate action on that missing conversion. So this is how you can report the missing conversion. Then we got this one, which is smart link. This is second of those two options that I could not explore further. I tried looking at all the available articles, FAQs, but I cannot locate anything with smart tools. So I'm not sure what exactly it is. If you figured it out, do let us know in the comment section. Again, it will be helpful for affiliates like you and me. We will learn what this smart tool is all about. It sounds interesting though. So let us know in the comment section if you find what this tool is. Then we got the account. So over here, we already talked about profile. Now, what if you click on API? So this will let you see your access token, the API key. If you haven't generated already, there will be an option to generate your API key, and you can run your API, and you can go to API documentation to see the documentation related to APIs and construct your API accordingly. Now, API is a bit of the complex topic. I wouldn't expect everyone to be aware of it. Usually the developers would know what API is, so you don't have to get into it unless you know it already, because and if you feel like you want to learn, then it's fine. You can click on API documentation and learn about it. But since it's a complex topic, I will not be covering that in detail, but will just give you a brief. To give an example here, this is an API URL. If I click here, it will show all the campaigns, or rather the affiliate program that's available. So I can just use this link outside of my dashboard, and I would still have access to all the campaigns that's available for vCommission. So API will basically allow you to get the data in short span of time without logging into the accounts and all that. So if you like, you can click on this API documentation hyperlink and learn about it and use it. Then we got the product feeds. Now, what is product feed? Product feed, you may consider it for those brands which provide different products. So let's say DHK. I'm just giving an example. So let's assume DHK don't just provide banner links, but they also provide thousands of product links. So how would you get the details of all the product links at once? Like the name of the product link, the image, the sell price, and all those details. It would be hard for you to get it, isn't it? So product feed basically allow you to get the inventory of all those product links available for different brands, but you would only see the option available here if the brand itself is providing the product feed. So as of now, none of my active brands are providing product feed. In your case, if there will be any brand providing product feed, the inventory of the product links, which will have the tracking links of yours, you will see the option in here and you can use it to download it. Then we got the payments. So you can click on transactions. Over here, you would be able to see your transaction related details. You will see your payments in here. You will see your transaction in here. And if you go to the invoices, you would be able to see your invoices in here. Then we got the referral link. We already talked about it when we were on the profile section. You can take this link and you can bring more affiliates to vCommission in order to earn commission. Then comes referred affiliate. So these will be the referred affiliate here, like whatever affiliates you bring to them, you will see them listed here. And then you will also see the payout. Payout is subjected to change based on the invoice generated. Data is shown for the last 90 days and refresh once a day. So there should be some commission. As I said, I can find about the commission rate, but when you bring affiliates to them, you could end up getting commission from vCommission. Then we got this integration. Now these are like API, complex topic. So for the ones who know about postback, they would know how do you submit the postback URL. That's the first question. In order to submit it, you must reach out to vCommission. We'll talk about how to reach out to them shortly, but basically you can click on add postback. You can select type as postback URL, select the event from conversion to conversion all goals. You can select approved here, and what kind of data you want to see, just click on the data in here. You see like this, and it will be added accordingly. You can click on see more to see all the kind of macro available. So basically you can build up your postback and you can submit the postback URL through reaching out to vCommission, and this way you will start getting the postback of different events that's been happening. Now, I know for the ones who don't know about postback, it may sound confusing, so it's okay. It's not something that if you won't know, you'll be left out. It's all good. It's especially being used by a developer to see some analytics in the internal tools. So if you want to learn, maybe you can Google search and learn more about this postback and pixel terms. But for normal affiliates, it's okay not to be aware of it. Then comes the Facebook integration. You click on Facebook, you click on action, click add Facebook configuration, and you can provide the details like business name, Facebook dataset ID, access token. Now, how do you get these details? You have to Google it out as well. This is something you would be able to find on your Facebook business account. So once you get it, just update the details here, and this way you can integrate your Facebook page as well. Then how about you reach out to your account manager? For that, you hover over this icon, you click here, and you can reach out to your account manager using this envelope icon, which will allow you to send an email to them via Skype or via Telegram. So this is how you reach out to your account manager, and this is how you use your affiliate dashboard, rather the publisher dashboard of vCommission. Then what about help center articles? Do we have help center articles for vCommission where we can explore different topics and all that? I tried finding that as well and I could not, but there's a web page that I was able to find, and that is the FAQ page. So I'm going to mention the link of this page in the video description as well. You can come to this page and you can read different questions, frequently asked questions of vCommission, like what is vCommission, what are the requirements for becoming a vCommission affiliate, when did vCommission come into existence, how long does it take for an application to be approved, what is the cost to join vCommission? I say it's free. When do I get paid? So you see here, they basically pay out the commission in 40 days of time. So let's say vCommission based affiliates on a 30-day cycle. Payments are typically sent on the 10th of each month for the commission earned during the corresponding performance period. That means result generated during the month of January will be paid within the first week of March. And you can click here to read more details. This is great because it when you click on this here, a hyperlink, you will see all the questions you might have in relation to payouts, invoices, and everything. So this is great. You can read through it for better understanding. Then what kind of document you have to submit? If you're from India, then you might have to submit PAN card details. But if you're from outside of India, then you might have to submit some other details. Then is there a minimum that I have to earn in order to get paid? Yes, there's a payment threshold, minimum payment threshold requirement, and that is you would only be able to earn commission if you have accumulated 1,000 INR or $100 as commission. Then what are other terms and conditions? You should read it from here. So these are some general FAQs being asked by different publishers, and or rather the affiliates, and answers are here. So this is how you create an affiliate account with vCommission. You apply to different campaigns, you get the approval, you start promoting them, you start exploring different section of the vCommission affiliate account. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you in learning all about the dashboard of vCommission. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate dashboard of any other affiliate network, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.